Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Eufy battery base for the Homebase 2. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please do me a favor by mashing that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and that notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so today we're going to look at the Eufy backup battery base for the Eufy Homebase 2. All right. Now, what's good about this backup base? Now, what's nice about the backup battery base, it can charge the Homebase 2 up to 8 hours. So in case you lose power or something like that, this can give your Homebase 2 8 hours of battery life. Now, I do want to point this out though. If you don't have your modem and your router connected to like a uninterrupted power supply, or AKA UPS. Now the two UPS systems that comes to mind, at least the bigger names, is CyberPower and APC. I currently have an APC that's connected to my modem and my router. But if you have that set up and then you have this connected to your Homebase and your battery powered Eufy camera or video doorbell that connects to the Homebase 2 will continue to record. It's just that you won't be able to retrieve the video until your modem and your router that your Eufy Homebase and cameras are connected to is back up. So I recommend that you connect your modem and your router to a UPS. Eufy cameras and video doorbell that connects to your Homebase will continue to work as if you never lost power. All right. So it's definitely recommended to get a UPS connected to your modem and your router. But with that stated, let's have a quick look at the box so you can see how everything looks. All right. And with that stated, let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. All right, let's slide this out. Okay, here it is. And that's all to it. Let's see what else we have here. All right, some contact information for Eufy. And then this manual, which is pretty thick, but I guess it's thick because of the different languages. All right, but with that stated, let's go ahead and get all this out the way. Take a closer look. All right, so here it is. Very simple, non-slip rubber at the bottom. Okay. And here's where you will plug in the power cable that came with the Homebase 2. You'll plug it in here, and instead, just go ahead and drop this here, and then plug this part into your Homebase 2. All right, and as you can see, that light is on, it's giving it power. Now, what's nice again about this, let's say you wanted to work in your garage and play music, or, you know, you're gonna be doing things that's gonna be loud where, I don't know, you may not have quick access to your phone, or let's say there is a, I don't know, maybe your phone was powered off, you didn't know. You could take this Homebase with you to your garage because you have the backup power. Put this in your garage, do what you have to do in there. If somebody rings the doorbell, you will easily hear it because you have the Homebase with you. All right, so it makes you mobile. I definitely think it's a winner. Again, it allows you to be mobile. The backup battery base will give your Homebase 2 up to 8 hours of use when it's disconnected from the main power. So again, this is definitely a winner, a nice backup. And I definitely think it would be a nice addition to your Eufy home security. Now, if you're interested in this backup battery base, of course, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my quick unboxing and review of the Eufy backup battery base for the Eufy Homebase 2. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.